Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about makeup brushes. There's millions of different makeup brushes and it gets confusing. So I figured I would just break it down and do a little series on, makeup brushes and what they are for, and how to recognize what brushes for what. For this video, we're gonna focus on face brushes. So I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow brushes because that gets confusing as well, but I figured I would focus on face brushes. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and talk about how you can figure out what kind of brush is for foundation. For foundation brushes, they are usually thicker, more dense. Sorry, I'm downstairs and my cats are running wild, so you may see them in this video. Brushes are more dense. There are round top brushes that look sort of like that. You can see on the top they are more round, but you can see, I'm sorry, these brushes are so dirty. Oh my God. On the top of the brush, you can see that it's round, and this brush is really dense. It's not very fluffy. Let me hold up a fluffy brush next to it so you can see the difference. This brush is more fluffy and soft. This brush is just more dense. So that's one way to tell that it's a face or foundation brush, is because it's super dense. You also have some that are, this one's round as well. And then you have some that are more flat top. So you can see that brush is more flat on top, but it is still very dense. And these brushes are for packing foundation on. So when you're using these kinds of foundation brushes, you would put your liquid foundation. You can use dry foundation as well, but these work better with liquid foundation, and you just pack that foundation on your face. So that's a really good foundation brush as well. And yeah, so also in regards to foundation brushes, I wanted to talk to you guys about sponges. So sponges are these little critters. This one is dry, it's not wet. Preferably you want to use these wet, so you would just get it wet, wring out all the excess water. You want it to be damp, you don't want it to be dripping wet because then it won't work well. Once you get it to the level that you need it to be, you also would just use this to pack foundation on. Now, a sponge is going to give you less coverage than what a foundation brush would. If you want full coverage foundation, you're going to use a foundation brush that will cover up all your sins. It will cover everything up. But if you have foundation that's too thick and you want to shear that foundation out, or if you don't want coverage that is full coverage, you can use these sponges. I love these for foundations that are more drying, that need a little more moisture, because like I said, it packs that foundation on lightly, shears the foundation out, and also gives it a little moisture because it's damp. So yeah, that is it in regards to foundation brushes. Now, of course, there's millions of different types of foundation brushes, but just remember they are usually dense. Their hair is nice and dense and thick. They can be flat top. They can be more rounded up top, but just the easy way to remember if it's a foundation brush is the hairs are usually really dense and heavy, if that makes any sense. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure if you have any questions about any of these brushes or questions about brushes in general, make sure to comment below, and I will see you guys next time.